Former TMC Member of Parliament Mimi Chakraborty and Nusrat Jahan, who asked for my assistance during their assembly election in April-May 2021, haven't paid anything out of 3.2 crore rupees due. Let me tell you one thing. I did not receive anything from the BJP for my services to their general election in May 2019, nor did I get anything from the Democratic Party of the United States for rendering my services to get Biden elected in November 2020. The BJP has lost the general election June 2024. Subsequently, the Democratic Party of the United States has also lost not just the White House in November 2024, but also the US Senate and the House of Representatives. If I don't receive my payment from TMC today, because we are about to settle that due for 2 crore rupees, then you can presume that in the forthcoming assembly election in West Bengal, they are going to lose tremendously against the BJP. Let me make you sure.